So I don't know where my concealer is, so I'm just going to use my Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation in the color 10 or 09. So, where have I been? So wonder why y'all ain't thought I was dead. Oh, so let's start with what I was supposed to do. Because, you know, my life never goes how it's supposed to. So this summer I said I was going to upload a video every day. Every day. Every day. But then I remembered that I was going to Massachusetts for a month. So I said, oh my God. This is going to stop everything. Oh no. So then I was like, okay, I'm going to pre-record everything and I'm going to upload while I'm there. So I uploaded like probably never. I never uploaded while I was there. I don't know what happened. I pre-recorded. Just never uploaded. So here I am a month later. Trying to get my life together. So y'all know for this look I'm going to be using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette because it's the only colorful palette that I ever own because I'm just broke and like, yeah. So in the picture she uses like, it's hot pink but it fades out at the top, and then it's like dark pink and there's a darker pink, and then yeah, y'all will see what I'm talking about when I do it because I don't know how to explain stuff. So I'm going to be taking, what am I going to be using? Oh my gosh, y'all, I brought this brush like 4 months ago and I never used it. It's my Wet n Wild crease brush. So we're going to use it now. I'm going to be using this pink. Starting off with this pink at the bottom. This one. So maybe I should zoom in. I didn't set my eyes because I saw somebody else not setting their eyes, and then I saw somebody else, and then I saw other people not setting their eyes, and so now they say it's better, but I don't know what it does. I just, you know, follow the leader. School starts back up in 2 weeks for me. I go back September the 4th. You know, don't know how I feel about it. I guess it's cool or whatever. Y'all probably like, Jordan, how was this a back to school get ready with me? Because some people like to be extra and like do like extra glam, and so like this is for them. But on a serious note, y'all, I got 2 phones. I got so much planned for myself. Like, believe it or not, I'm actually ready for school to start again. Y'all, my eyebrows is so dark. I ran out of my freaking eyebrow pencil, so I had to use a freaking other eyebrow pencil, and I freaking hate it because my freaking eyebrows are not freaking done, so I don't freaking know what to freaking do. But anyway, back to the topic. Oh, this is like really bothering me. I'm actually kind of excited for school to start back up. I don't know why. I think I just miss the routine, I think. You know? Gotta get up every day. You do the same thing. I mean, I don't like doing the same thing every day. I hate getting up early in the morning. It's just the fact that I was doing something with my life. Like, I was actually learning and I was being productive. And I feel like right now I'm just, trust me, I'm being productive, but I'm not, I don't know. I don't know. Now I'm going to be going in with this pink shade at the top. First it was the one at the bottom, now it's the one at the top. And I'm just going to put that over top. I'm going to try to do like, I really hope I'm in focus, y'all. I'm going to try to do like down here. I don't know. But I think I haven't been motivated. It's like I get motivation spurts. So, like, if I'm not motivated to record, I'm not going to record because I don't know what to record. Like, y'all be giving me video ideas, but it's like, I don't want to do those videos. So, I don't do them. And then, it's like, I don't have ideas for myself. So, I was thinking, like, what way is my channel going to go? You know? I started off, my first video ever was a makeup video. But then I started going into the hair direction. And now I feel like I'm gravitating back. Oh gosh, that was so freaking rude. My camera cut off. But I feel like I'm going back towards the makeup direction. And I just be saying like, because I always told myself and everybody that I always wanted a versatile channel. I didn't want just a strictly makeup channel. I didn't want a strictly hair channel. I didn't want a beauty channel, period. I just wanted somewhere to express myself. I feel like with beauty channels, you have to be so, like, put together and, like, just cute. And I'm just not cute. So, it's not going to work out. Like, when I think of beauty channel, I think of, like, Laura Lee and Desi Perkins and, like, I Love Seta E and Nikki Tutorials and, like, Manny MUA. James Charles. I think a clean cut, like, strictly beauty. But then I think of beauty channels who do other stuff like He Flawless does comedy, but he also does beauty. Monica Style Muse, she's a beauty channel, but she do other stuff. So I mean, I guess I can go in the beauty direction. It's like that's not what I started to be. But I mean, I guess it's like, why not? If that's what I'm good at. I'm good at hair and makeup. Well, I'm getting better at makeup. So I guess why not go into that direction and see where it takes me? You never know. Because truly and honestly, my biggest inspirations on YouTube are makeup channels. So, hey. So now I guess we can cut the crease. I haven't cut a crease in like 3 months. Y'all, I have not done my makeup in forever. Y'all, I freaking messed everything up. I'm about to so now I'm just going to be taking a random brush and packing a random gold color. Now I'm just going to be taking a brush and packing a random gold color in from any palette. This palette doesn't have a name, so I'm not even going to show you. We're just going to add. I'm going to go into my B by Bubs Beauty BH palette. And I'm going to take like charismatic, able, grateful, and hopeful, all shiny colors in this palette, and we're going to put it on the outline. So anyway, what was I saying? I don't know. Sorry. Oh, I said let me rant for a minute. Because they don't want your girl to get a job. I've applied to like everywhere in the US, and they won't freaking hire me. Like, wow. Why is it this hard to get a job? Y'all know this is not my color. It's summertime, but I've been gone for so long. I ain't never had time to get no other color, so we just gonna make this one work. I forgot to exfoliate. So my face, everything is sticking to it, like it's textured. It's just not cute. But anyway, the whole point of only putting it right here is because you know how they teach us to put it in a triangle, like how I always do. Well, they said he said that concealer is only going to go where you put it. So I mean, concealer is going to go where you blend it. So you putting it everywhere over here doesn't, it's like you blending it out into nothing. Because if you got it everywhere, you just blend, it's like it's not going anywhere. It's just staying, and it gets cakey. And so when you put this amount right here, you see how it's spread. Like, now that I look casket sharp in the face, what we're gonna do is I got 2 Makeup Revolution powders. One is the banana powder and one is the terracotta powder. So what I like to do is mix the 2 and put them under my eye and wherever I need to set. So I just pour it in my hand because I'm ghetto like that. Y'all, I seriously need to invest in a mixing palette. This is ridiculous. I'm going to be taking this fat fan brush. But I don't use this one because it makes me look like red. But we're going to have to use it today. Do y'all remember when Cheeto came out? I think it was Cheeto. Came out with that Cheeto powder. That satin powder. That's what I feel like I look like I use. And I'm going to be taking one of this. Oops, I sprayed too much. And I'm going to be taking one of the same. Wait. I'm going to be taking one of the same eyeshadows that I use. I used to always use this as a highlight. Let me get a mirror. So now I'm going to be adding my Kiss lashes and Paparazzi 03. And then figure out what lippy. I never do a lippy, but I feel like today I'm feeling adventurous. So let's just go for it. Playboy. 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 Oh my god, one eye looks so different. What the freak? Oh my god, my camera is dying. I'm going to put some pink underneath my lids. I'm going to do the lip, and then I'm going to hurry up and finish the video. Oh, freak. How the freak do you zoom in on this? Tengo la necesidad de saber lo que piensas cuando piensas en mí.